Let me be honest, most developers are undercharging, overworking,
and fighting for $300 projects.
while a small group quietly sells $5,000 landing page to local businesses. In this video, I am breaking down my exact strategy, how I design a high converting local business landing page using AI, how I structure sales pitch so that clients can't say no, and how I reach out to them using the same outreach framework used by six-figure freelancers and agencies. Let's get started.
So in order to start, the first thing we will be needing is a prompt. I have created a basic prompt over here. I will simply go to Gemini and paste it there to create a detailed prompt. So let's go to Gemini and let's copy our basic prompt over here. I am trying to create a landing page for a real estate agent named Sarah. The main concept is to collect the leads so that real estate agents don't need to make any kind of filters of interested buyers. We will collect the name, phone number, and buyer or seller request directly on their WhatsApp number so that they can easily focus on the qualified leads. Okay, they will already have all the data, so it will save their time so that they can easily focus on their business. Okay, so the prompt is ready. Let's copy it and paste it into Lovable. Okay, so let's do it. Let's go to Lovable website. Let's paste our prompt and hit enter. And after that, Lovable will start its work and start creating a stunning website for us. Okay, let's wait for a few minutes. Lovable has started its work. Okay, let's wait. Okay, great guys. Lovable has created a stunning website for us. Let's check it out. Okay, it has nice hero section. It has nice buyer and seller section. I am looking to buy or I am ready to sell. Clear CTA buttons. Okay, let's scroll down. Okay, we have agent section over here with as featured in and agent info. Okay, we can put our featured info over here. We have a nice testimonial to improve trust. Okay, we have a nice lead collection form. Okay, with all the fields we asked for. We have buy property or sell property toggle. Okay, after that we have a nice footer with quick links, contact info, and WhatsApp floating bar. Okay, it's not working, no worries, we will fix it. Okay, maybe there is some issue. Okay, so the website is looking professional and beautiful overall. Okay, the CTA buttons are working perfectly. We can easily move to the lead contact form. Okay, here is a nice buttons on the hero section as well, which are working completely fine. Okay, let's test the form now. Let's put the info. Okay, I am putting a dummy info over here to check the form. Okay, we can put our phone number over here. Okay, let me fill it. After that, we can select buyer or seller. Okay, let's click on the button. Okay, after form submission, it's showing some error. No worries, we will put some simple prompts to fix it into Lovable. Okay, let me put a prompt that the button is not working. Okay, the WhatsApp redirection is not working. Okay, let me put the prompt over here and I have it hit enter. Let's wait for some time. Okay, Lovable has given us a success message. Okay, so we are ready to check the form again. Let's check it out. Let me fill the details over here. Let me fill the phone number and let's submit the form again. Okay, let's see how it goes. Okay, it's showing error again. No problem. Let's fix it again. This time I am taking a screenshot and I will attach it into Lovable message. Okay. Let me type the prompt again and I will attach the error report this time as well. I have already taken the screenshot, so I will simply attach the screenshot over here so that Lovable can easily understand what the real problem is. Okay, I am attaching the screenshot. Okay, after that let's submit it. It will run for a few minutes, so let's wait for it. Okay, so it has given us a success message again. Let's publish the project this time. Okay, I have published the project. Let's copy the URL and open it into a new browser. Okay, after that let's try to submit the form again. Okay, I am filling the info one more time. Let me fill the phone number. After that let's submit the form. Hooray guys, this time it worked perfectly fine. We can see our pre-filled message over here. We can open the app or WhatsApp web and we can easily submit the form. Okay, nice. So the functionality is working fine. Okay, the website is looking cool. Let's see how you can monetize this skill. You can simply go to your Instagram account, search for hashtag real estate agent, and you can find so many prospect real estate agent over there. Just go to the message box and put your sales pitch in it with the link of your website. Okay, so let's create our sales pitch. Let's go to Gemini and let's explain the scenario to Gemini that we want a sales pitch to impress real estate agents. Okay, I have already created a website for them and I want to send them an Instagram message. Okay, so you can easily tell the Gemini that I want a 50-word sales pitch, so I'm doing the same thing. Okay, you can improve your command prompt however you want. You can include the website features you are offering to impress the clients. So I'm creating a basic prompt over here. Okay, I have created the message, so let me simply copy it. Okay, it's focusing on the outdated website concepts, so you need to send it to the real prospects clients who don't have a website or have an outdated website. Okay, so you are not supposed to do spams. Okay, so let me copy the website link as well. Okay, you can simply send this message and done. Okay guys, so this is the real method which is working in 2026 and being used by six-figure entrepreneurs and big agencies. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it so far, make sure to subscribe the channel and share it with your friends and family. I will meet you guys in the next video. Till then, thank you very much.